3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
How you doing, folks? My name is Marty with Hussar Yachts. We're here at the St. Pete Boat Show, introducing our Scamander 920 Explorer Max. We are importing these boats from Poland, and this is the first one in the United States, and we're very happy to debut it here and show you around a little bit. It's our 33-foot pilot house with a nice fishing deck and lounge in the back, and sleeping inside for 4 people. Starting off here in the bow of the boat, we have our anchor with the windlass anchor winch. So that's automated. In the front, we have also a cushion that comes here for a sun deck on the entire bow. We have bow thrusters on this boat installed in the front, and a convertible top here across. So with a click of a button, you have full retraction or closure of the convertible top. On the walkabout, we have the stainless steel rails on top and bottom, keep it nice and secure when you're moving around, and the slide open windows. This boat at the boat show is going right now for $180,000. In the back, we have the large lounge, seating all the way around with 2 tables. Here we have the Mercury 225s twins, which give this boat a top speed of 55 miles an hour. And at cruising speed of 30 miles an hour, the fuel economy is about 2 miles per gallon. We have here twin 61-gallon fuel tanks for a total of 122 gallons, with an option of installing an additional 50-gallon tank for extended range. And this lounge, all the seating is fully removable with 2 hand screws each. It takes about 10 minutes, and you have a full open flat deck for fishing. We can install fishing rod holders wherever you like, including across the back of the roof. And here we have our live well. As you can see, it's quite spacious. And when not being used for fishing, it also functions fantastic as a cooler. In case you do run low on seating space, or you remove all your seats and decide you want a place to sit, we do have jump seating here inside the gunnels. In the steps, we have raw water wash down, so we can wash down the deck when being used or fishing. And here we can also see we have the integrated drainage canals, and it's a self-draining hole. Stepping inside, we have our galley here with your sink and stovetop options, along with a refrigerator and storage down below. On the port side here, we have seating for 4 at the table. This table does also collapse and have a filler here for a small bed or a lounge inside. The front seat also folds forward to have forward-facing seating along with the captain's chair. In the captain's chair here, we have a few options. We have our bow thruster control right here, our controls for the windlass anchor winch, and controls for the zip brake trim tabs, which are linked to the Simrad right here, a 12-inch Simrad. Our radio and controls are here. The seat has a very nice option of having the backrest and a fold-up floor, which allows you to have a higher standing position or a lower standing position. When you step down into the cabin, we have a privacy door here, and the air conditioning works both in the top cabin and the bottom cabin individually. We have sleeping for 2 inside on the front main bed. And on the port side, we have a bunk that is 7 feet deep and allows another person to slide in there for additional sleeping space. You can see there's the toilet and the sink does have a removable faucet and a drain in the floor, so you can take a shower in private sit down inside the head. Here we have our control panel. This is a touch screen for the air conditioning, our lighting, our bilges, water turn on, and controls for the soft top convertible, which is right above you. Thank you very much, and please come visit us at the St. Pete Boat Show this weekend and check out our 920 Explorer Max.